To reset Apple Pay contactless payment, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. This app is where you manage your Apple Pay cards and settings. Look for the card you want to reset and tap on it to view its details. On the card details screen, tap the three dots icon or the info icon, depending on your device, to access the card options. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Remove this card. Confirm that you want to remove the card by tapping Remove. This action will remove the card from Apple Pay and you will no longer be able to use it for contactless payments. If you want to use the same card again, you will need to add it back to Apple Pay by going through the initial setup process. To add a card back to Apple Pay, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign icon. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your card, which may include scanning the card, entering the card details manually, and verifying the card with your bank. It is essential to note that removing a card from Apple Pay does not affect the actual card itself, and you can continue to use it for physical transactions. Additionally, if you have multiple devices connected to the same Apple ID, removing a card from one device will remove it from all devices. To ensure the security of your Apple Pay account, it is recommended to use a passcode or Face ID to lock your device and prevent unauthorized access. Regularly review your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity and report it to your bank immediately. By following these steps, you can easily reset Apple Pay contactless payment and manage your cards securely and efficiently. Remember to always keep your device and Apple Pay account secure to protect your financial information.